travel is a necessity.
There are 7.7 million tourists per year. Dito pa lang sa Pilipinas yan,
Yes.
Muling kinilala ang ganda ng Pilipinas bilang tourist destination sa World Travel Awards 2024.
Naasahan dadagsa palalo ang mga bisita sa Pasko at Bagong Taon.
Imbes na ito ay pagkagastusan natin, pagkakitaan natin.
Traditionally, to own a travel and tourist business, you are meant to have millions of pesos.
Pero ngayon, sa halagang magkano na lang?
8,990.
Meron ka ng travel and tour business?
Absolutely.
Saang mga bansa na present ang travel and tour business?
Canada, USA, UK, China, Japan, you name it, all over the globe.
Izzy Molina, the visionary founder and CEO of Star Legends Adventure Travel and Tours,
is often referred to as the CEO in pajamas.
she is reshaping the travel industry with a unique business model that promotes remote work.
Empowering people to build successful businesses from anywhere.
Marami na talagang kumikita under you.
Yes, marami na po tayong mga OFW na napauwi for good sa Pilipinas because that's how freedom truly happens. So they don't have to go back working a 9-to-5 job.
The reason why napaka-potential nitong negosyo na to because approximately there are 7.7 million tourists dito pa lang sa Pilipinas yan per year. And globally, it is actually 790 million people are flying across the globe.
Yes.
Ang ginawa ni IC, imbes na ito ay pagkagastusan natin, pagkakitaan natin.
Travel is actually a necessity. So people travel for well-being. Yung iba gustong makawala from their 9-to-5 jobs, from their stressful environment because it helps people na ma-refresh ang kanilang mga utakan ng mga sarili to travel. And also, many travel as well for medical reasons, for business.
Kagaya ng nangyari kay Doc Willie, siya ay nagkaroon ng cancer. So yung cancer niya is kung dito sa Pilipinas siya nagpagamot or dito siya nagpa-ospital, baka hindi na kinaya. But because of may access siya to travel to Singapore and what happened to him right now, pagaling na siya. Kumbaga, hindi na lang for leisure na magagamit natin ang travel. Especially if you have special medical case, education abroad, magagamit mo rin, business trip.
Yes.
Ang maling connotation kasi ng maraming tao, kapag ka magtatayo ako ng travel and tour business, ang lagi nilang iisipin marami bang nagbubook? Pasyal lang naman to, leisure lang naman to ng mga tao. Anong masasabi mo sa ganun?
According to the statistics, there are trillions of travelers. And it is a necessity, not only during these days, but since medieval days. And even during pandemic, kahit humina, hindi po nag-stop ang travel. Dahil travel is part of daily life. Yung airports, hindi sabay-sabay na nagsara. People travel for many reasons. And for everyone who says, like, meron bang nagtra-travel? Marami. Every day. People are starting to have this kind of objections. Why should I get into travel business na marami na ang online travel agents, online websites? We understand the different demands of people. There are people who are happy to do it themselves, like the hustling of going through online. Sila yung magbubook sa sarili nilang mga flights na kung merong mga cancellation, rescheduling, and etc. They're happy to do it. They're happy to contact the airline companies and wait for a very long time. Like personally, I've experienced it in Australia because I tried to book online because online websites do sometimes offer a very exclusive promo only available on their website. So I was able to grab that. But when something happened, I had to wait for hours just to connect to them so they can rebook my flight that has been canceled.
So hassle talaga.
So hassle. But there are people who loves convenience, like myself, and I believe like you. We don't care paying for the amount as long as it's less hassle for us.
Yes.
We pay for someone to do the things we cannot do because we have other things to prioritize wherein we can be more productive. Yun ang trabaho ng travel agents. We want to make sure that there is someone to accommodate the needs of the travelers from booking flights, even after booking flights, because it doesn't end there. The demand, like I said, is endless in travel.
Maraming travel agencies around there. Pero ang Star Legends ang nakagawa ng isang business model wherein you can start a travel and tour business na sobrang mura. Paano mo na-conceptualize itong ganitong kagandang negosyo?
I started it on my own as a sole proprietor. The only chance that I'm able to share it as a franchising because I've
Right.
experienced it. And isa lang din kasi ako sa mga natulungan dati. This is my way of giving back. So the reason why it is mura, because you're no longer gonna cover the cost on your own. It is being shared with the franchisees. And I have created an all-in-one business platform that the one system, rather than you only paying it yourself,
Right.
which I have paid, so the cost of it is being shared by different people and I'm able to provide access to those who have franchised from us. It's a very minimal capital compared to the value that we're going to give them in return. Because traditionally, to own a travel and tourist business, you are meant to have millions of pesos to establish a good travel and tourist business.
Pero ngayon, sa halagang magkano na lang?
From 24,990 original price, we can offer it for only 8,990. There is a coupon code.
8,990, meron ka ng travel and tour business?
Absolutely.
Yung luho mo, pagkakitaan mo na. And I believe you are operating globally, right?
That's true.
Saang mga bansa na present ang travel and tour business mo?
All over the globe, such as Australia, Canada, USA, UK, UAE, Hong Kong, China, Singapore, Japan, you name it. We're
Ilan na?
everywhere. 6,000 plus.
6,000 franchises?
Yes.
Magkano ang potential na po pwedeng kitain ng travel and tour business?
From the 8,990 pesos with the services, with the products na ibibigay namin sa kanila, pwede silang kumita from 10,000 pesos monthly up to 100,000 to 1 million. It's unlimited actually because it is not like the traditional business with a physical inventory na kailangan para kumita ka ng 100,000 lagi kang magpupuno. In Star Legends Adventures, I teach our people paano ka makakapag-book ng 1 million worth of tickets na kahit wala kang 1 million. So only in Star Legends Adventures. Like I said, in travel and tours, hindi mo kailangan magkaroon ng ganong kapital para mabenta mo ang ganoong halagang booking.
Ikaw na ang nag-shoulder nung bulk order doon sa mga provider.
Yes.
Pinoprovide mo na lang sa kanila with the discounted price already.
That was correct that you mentioned that we actually already have taken care of that. But we can also make that decision that, hey, kailangan may maintaining balance ang mga system nyo bago ka makapag-book. Hindi kailangan ng maintaining balance sa company ni Star Legends Adventures. You can do book and buy.
Paano yun?
Kung halimbawa, gusto mong mag-book, tapos ako yung agent na pipili mo, sabihin natin yung system ko, nagbayad ako kay Star Legends ng registration, pero wala akong laman sa portal ko. I can still offer you my products and services kahit walang laman ang portal ko. Ngayon, sa quotation na binigay ko sa'yo, if you're happy with it, you can proceed with the booking. I'll just collect your payment and I'll proceed with the booking. And also, there is actually an extra service that we provide as a support to our community sa mga natatakot after registration, wala na silang pangkapital, which is the major problem of the majority. Dito sa Star Legends Adventures, like I said, we have extra support processes, procedures, so that we can truly maximize the full potential of the business. Kasi hindi na nila kailangan ng 1 million.
8,990 na lang.
May sarili na silang all-in-one business platform in travel and tours that includes affiliate marketing and actually already has e-commerce.
Marami na talagang kumikita under you.
Yes, marami na po tayong mga OFW na napauwi for good sa Pilipinas. Kasi aside sa business na na-acquire nila na nakapag-increase ng kanilang savings, yung iba nakapagpatayo ng bahay from their income, yung iba yun na yung ginagamit pang suporta ng kanilang mga pamilya dito sa Pilipinas. Nakaipon sila, nakauwi sila agad. Ang mga franchisees natin, nagkaroon sila ng skills. How to become financial literate. Because that is what we've taught them. So whatever they've generated in Star Legends Adventures, they're also able to channel it to multiply their income because that's how freedom truly happens. So they don't have to go back working a 9-to-5 job.
Mga boss, especially sa mga kababayan nating OFW, mag-uuwian lahat yan ngayong December. Kikita na naman ang mga travel and tour business. O ito na idea, bakit hindi mo pagkakitaan?
That's true. You can turn your passion into profit. Not very long ago, one of our franchisees, nag-share siya. 2 weeks pa lang siya, kumita siya ng 50,000 pesos because of the travel and tourist business and the type of support that we share with our people.
Ang galing lang, no? Dati kasi pag nai-imagine ko yung travel and tour business, pupunta ako sa isang opisina, doon ako magbubook. Ngayon, kahit wala kang opisina, remotely, nasa bahay ka, tawagan mo lang yung friend mo, pwede mo na siyang i-book anytime, anywhere.
That's the beautiful thing that we do in Star Legends Adventures because we're not like any other travel companies that they do it very traditional. We are a very innovative company and we use a lot of technology in order to scale faster than usual. Kaya nga, boss, di ba? CEO in pajama.
Na nasa bahay lang.
Yes, I am able, like, kahit nakapajama ako, nagpapadede sa anak, nagpapaligo, I was able to generate that amount of money that I needed to survive abroad na hindi ko kailangan magtrabaho because of this business. And I would like to share with our kababayan the key features kung bakit maganda ang travel and tourist business out of all the businesses na ginawa ko.
Nagagawa mo yung lahat ng gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo nang hindi ka nai-stress, hindi ka nape-pressure, wala kang boss.
Exactly. As I have shared, we provide a jump start. And actually, there is also another option, which what we call shortcut. Although yung sinasabi ng iba, walang shortcut, in my own path, napatunayan ko may shortcut. Pero hindi yung shortcut na, I'm not going to do that. I-skip ko yung prosesong yan para mapadali. Hindi ganun. Ang paraan ng shortcut na sinasabi ko is if you cannot do it, let someone else do it. And that's how I achieved my freedom. With the shortcut, kahit natutulog ako, pwede akong kumita. Kahit nagtra-travel ako, kahit ngayon nag-i-interview tayo,
kumikita ka.
Yes. It's not only business or cash flow that we provide. We want to share that freedom who are truly serious in achieving that.
Example, magpa-fly ako, Philippines to Japan. Nakapag-book ako halimbawa ng 5 people. Magkano ang income ko dyan as a travel agency owner?
Honestly, it varies because ang airline companies, hindi naman natin control yun. There is what we call fluctuation of rates. And if I may just add as well, yung mga baguhan sa travel industry, minsan nagpapanik sila when the price goes up. But to answer your question straight, like personally, I am able to book that number of people traveling to Japan and we were able to help them save 20,000 pesos. And then kumita kami ng mga 35,000.
Ganyan pala kalaki ang kitaan dyan.
Yes,
so pag
yes.
nagbenta kayo sa travel and tours, make sure ang ibebenta ninyo packages.
Correct, because it is composed of the different products and services wherein there are discounts given by the suppliers. And it is not given to all. So it depends if you are a good company that produces them more clients, then you are favored to get more discounts. That's why it's an advantage if you tie up with the big travel companies such as Travel and Tours in Star Legends Adventures.
Ayun, pag sa'yo nakatie up, may mga packages na rin sila na pwedeng ibenta.
Yes. I can actually share something with one of our features that we highlight in the Travel and Tours in Star Legends. The cutting-edge marketing strategy, which is what we have as a feature number 2 in Star Legends that makes it powerful. We do not just provide products and service. We teach our people how to attract customers that will buy from them so they can sell and profit, even though they're not very good at sales, because that's the number one objection of the majority why they don't get into business. So we teach them how to automate their selling. We teach them how to use technology to scale their business fast.
Provided mo na lahat yun.
Yes. Ready-made materials na copy-paste na lang, pwede ka na makapagbenta. Ganyan ka powerful. Na kahit natutulog sila, pwedeng may magbenta in their behalf.
Alam ko, excited na kayo mga boss kung paano nga ba magiging part nitong Star Legends Adventure, kung paano kayo magkakaroon ng travel and tour business sa halagang 8,990. So, paano nga ba?
Para sa mga kababayan dyan na naghahanap ng totoong mapagkakakitaan, generational cash flow, kung yan ang hinahanap mo, Star Legends Adventures is the platform to be. Sa murang halaga, magkakaroon ka na ng sarili mong travel and tourist business that you can run anywhere and anytime using your gadget and internet. From the original price of 24,990, now you can avail it for only 8,990. Banggitin mo lang ang pangalan ni Boss Raymond at bibigyan ka namin ng coupon code to access that special price. Para naman sa mga gusto ng shortcut meron po tayo ditong VVIP package, which is the higher package. Para sa mga gustong scale ang negosyo ng mas mabilis, pwede po yan because we provide here done-for-you services. If you would like to have your own satellite branch, as there is a huge potential in this business, especially now in Star Legends, we're going global, we have it also available. From 500,000 pesos, you can just consult us first. We offer free one-on-one consultation so that we can assess if this is really something for you because it's only limited, and we'll see you there. Please do follow me at CON Pajama Facebook page. I'm also in TikTok and Instagram and also in YouTube, and you can also directly contact us with our mobile number 0905-345-0180.
Alright, muli maraming salamat and God bless po sa inyong lahat.